far as creating this divide is also concerned, quickly I'm told to go to Arunil as well. He's joining us live right now. Arunil, where does it bring upon as far as the case is also concerned? Because it has been admitted by the prosecution that the blast did happen. This is what the judge has been saying. But who was then behind it? Arunil.
Well, that is a baffling question, clearly, Amita, that comes to the fore. I was inside the courtroom when the judge was basically pronouncing the order. First, he started with the history of the case. He mentioned about the aspect. Now, there were three important points that he mentioned about. First, he discussed about Colonel Purohit, saying that, yes, there is no cogent evidence to prove that RDX was recovered from the residence of Colonel Purohit. There is no cogent evidence that Colonel Purohit basically assembled the explosive which created the blast in Malegaon. So obviously he was exonerated. Then the charges against Sadhvi Pragya. What basically was mentioned was the entire case was dependent on the motorcycle that was recovered from Malegaon. It was the theory from the ATS was that the bomb was strapped to this motorcycle, and later on, after investigation, it was found out that the concerned motorcycle belonged to Sadhvi Pragya. Sadhvi Pragya was immediately arrested, and based on her interrogation as well as call records, the other accused were also arrested later on, subsequently. Now, what the judge basically mentioned was that Sadhvi Pragya had renounced the world and she had become a sannyasi before the Malegaon bomb blast happened. So, there is no ample evidence or a cogent evidence to showcase or to establish that she was in possession of the concerned motorcycle to which the bomb was allegedly strapped to. They also basically said that there is no cogent evidence to establish the links of Sadhvi Pragya with the other accused as well. With respect to conspiracy meetings that had taken place, with respect to Abhinav Bharat, the organization as well,
right,
the judge said that Colonel Purohit...
Here's what Sadhvi Pragya, addressing the judge in the NIA court, said, and I'm quoting now, "I said this from the very beginning that those who are called for investigation there should be a basis behind that. I was called by them for investigation and was arrested and tortured. This ruined my whole life. I was living a sage's life, but I was made an accused and no one was willingly standing beside us. I am alive because I am a sannyasi. They defamed Bhagwa through a conspiracy. Today Bhagwa has won and Hindutva has won, and God will punish those who are guilty. However, those who defamed India and Bhagwa have not been proved wrong by you." This is what she is believed to have said in the court. Atikur Rahman also joining the broadcast. Meghna Deka,